It feels like a Walmart, like a Target, with all the other things outside, like the electronic stuff. Feels like a Costco. At a supermarket here in Turkey. This is apparently one of like the bigger ones here, especially the 5M Migros is like one of the biggest. It's supposed to be kind of like a Costco type of situation. So we are going to see what we find. I like finding like really unique things. So let's see if like, we can get some candies or something like that. Like you can't really see anywhere else. So let's find. Motorcycles. So that way is for I guess the actual store. Pero sí parece like un mall, ¿no? Migros es para allá. So far we've seen stores, motorcycles, kids playing in some games, a food court. So this really feels more like a mall than an actual supermarket. Okay, so this is where it begins. Apparently pastrami is Turkish. This looks very different than pastrami I've ever seen before though. But apparently it's not, you know, from New York like we think, right? Cheeses, mushrooms, I'm not the best at knowing all this stuff. I would see this and I would think it's like some type of Turkish delight or something. My mom says that it's probably cheese, but it has pistachio on it and it's with the ice cream. Maybe it's an ice cream. Look at all of the olive options. So far we've had those with like other things like tomatoes and stuff like that. These that are stuffed, we've had that before as well. And what else have we have? Okay, so these I had when I was in Uzbekistan and I absolutely love them. I had one the other day and it was also really good. The food here reminds me a lot of there and then kind of like a mix with like Greek and everything. I feel like it's just really similar. Oh my god, the other day actually when I was having a doner, there's a pickle in it and I don't eat pickles. And then all of a sudden I ate a pickle, which I never would have done in like real life. So these long pizzas was actually the first thing I ever had in Turkey. It was actually at the Istanbul airport when I had a layover. And I liked it. It was pretty good. Like it was really filling. It's like long and everything. I think I had this one. It had cheese and it had like sausage. I haven't had it since. I would try it again. Here it's like 83 lira, so like maybe under $3. Turkey is known for its Turkish coffee, but they drink tea. And look at all of these teas. It's like this whole wall is just different teas. The black tea is the most popular one. That's the one that you'll mainly have, but we've also had a pomegranate one. We've had apple tea, and they've all been really delicious. So I think I might get some tea before I go. Probably have to get something smaller like this, but it's just really popular here, and there's just so much like variety. Some of these I don't even know what the flavor is. Okay, black, that's like regular. It's originally from Belgium, but a Turkish family bought it. I cannot remember exactly what year it is that they bought it, but now it is made here. So $2.50 for a box for 123 grams. Okay, it's 40 or 6.25 for a box. The reason we came for was snacks, but honestly, I'm looking at I'm like it's $4 for at least most of the things. There's some nuts and things like that that are a little bit less, like these peanuts are under $1, but for the most part almost everything is how much I'd pay in the US. So I don't know if I'm gonna get snacks. We'll see. Okay, chips are like $1.25. That's doable, but like not healthy, so conflicted. Our tour guide was telling us about these specifically. They are Turkish ones. You can only find them here. It has tomatoes and it actually comes with opium. I'm not a big fan of flavors on them. I think my sister's gonna get it and I'm gonna try one. But otherwise, I don't think I would try that. I'm a pretzel girly, so I might get these. Either these or these, maybe? They kind of look like the simi ones, which are like the bagel ones that we've tried a few times already. And they look kind of good. This is something I would snack on. I would probably get like 2 of these. Turkish coffee and tea. Yeah, it feels like a Walmart, like a Target, with all the other things outside, like the electronic stuff. Feels like a Costco. Really got everything going on here. But I do want baklava, but I don't know if I want the other one. So many chocolate options and drinks. Just standing here past the food side, there are coolers and there are grills. Yeah, grills, outdoor patio strips, chairs, bathing suits, shoes, bikes, luggage, like outdoor water sports, like goggles and things, and miscellaneous. Like there's everything here. I feel like on every trip, everyone always forgets something. I forgot sandals, and a lot of times I like using them to shower with them, but I'm not really seeing any. Yeah, I know, I'm not seeing any. They're all like slides or Crocs or something. So there's really, I don't know, maybe this is like only what they use, but I don't really use them. So then I'm never going to use them again after this trip. I like being practical. I don't like buying things just because of buying things. I like buying things because I'm like, okay, I know I'm going to use them and I like them, and there we go. You know how like they have names on the bottles and everything? These must be Turkish names because I've never seen them before, but I feel like that's really cool. They're really catering to each market separately. 950, 22.65. That comes out to 96.50, and so it's like about $2.65. Then 52.95 for this. So in total comes out to like under $4. Double chocolate, hard to bite.